So you've purchased a Glock, but you're unfamiliar with how to clean it? No problem. In this video, I will be going over the process from start to finish. While the Lipsey's exclusive Glock P80 will be the firearm used throughout the video, all Glocks readily available field ship the same. Like most firearms, Glocks have a recommended break-in of about 500 rounds. Of course, with the current ammunition shortage, this may be a bit difficult. What you will need is a cleaning rod, a bore brush, slotted tip and brass jag for the corresponding caliber, a fair amount of cleaning patches, a metal dental pick, a cleaner of some sort, gun scrubber for cleaning the brush itself, and a microfiber cloth. Proceed to clear your firearm. Remove the magazine, pull the slide to the rear to verify the chamber is clear, and dry fire in a safe direction. Pull the slide back a fraction of an inch, pull down on the takedown lever, and push forward on the slide to remove it from the frame. Remove the recoil spring, lift the barrel up, slide it forward, and then pull up and to the rear for removal. What you see here is the copper anti-seizing compound applied by Glock. I leave it in place until it wears off from use. I've read it generally lasts only a couple hundred rounds. Before I do anything else, I use the microfiber cloth and wipe off the fouling in the slide. No cleaner, just the cloth. Remember to clean the ejection port, breech face, and extractor as well. Around the firing pin block is where I will use the dental pick and cloth to remove what still remains. As you can better see here, the anti-seize compound is still in place after 700 rounds. Using the dental pick and a patch, guide it along the slide rail to remove any fouling and old oil. For the frame, all you will have to do is wipe it out using patches or a cloth like so. No real need for a cleaner here, unless you are detail stripping the firearm to its frame. The front of the frame doesn't become too dirty, so there's no reason to spend much time there. Onto the barrel, first wipe any fouling off the outside, the feed ramp, and locking lugs. With a patch through the slotted tip doused in your cleaner, run it through the barrel from the rear a few times to soak the bore. While allowing the cleaner to loosen fouling in the rifling, I usually wipe the magazine of any carbon. For the most part, I don't usually disassemble them. In fact, the last one I did that to was for Cerakoting of the 17L Nintendo Zapper. Now use the brush and run it through the barrel from the rear several times to clean the polygonal rifling. Using the brass jag and a clean patch, push it through to remove the cleaner and remaining fouling. A padded bench vise makes the process easier, however, cleaning can be accomplished without one. Repeat the past 4 steps until the patch is clean, like so. Once clean, run a patch with a bit of oil to lubricate the bore once again as a protective coat. Any excess oil can be removed like so. The recoil spring will not require any oil but should be wiped off as well. Place a drop of oil on each slide rail and let gravity do the rest. This is more oil than necessary, so let's remove a bit with a patch. Now reinsert the barrel and ensure it's seated properly. This end of the recoil spring always faces the front of the slide. Align your slide rails and do not rush assembly here. If you jump the rails, it can be a pain to correct the issue. Remember, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Rack the slide to ensure the trigger resets, and then dry fire. With an empty magazine, test to ensure the slide locks to the rear. Remove the magazine, run the slide, squeeze, and hold the trigger. Then rack the slide to ensure the trigger resets again. And insert the empty magazine prior to storage. Another location that should receive a bit of oil is here on the barrel, and where the barrel mates with the slide when in battery. The manual included with new Glock pistols shows exactly where to lubricate as well. Now that your pistol is clean, it's time to go shooting again. That is, of course, if you can locate ammo. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, click that bell icon to be notified when I upload new content, leave any comments you have in the section below, and have a good day. See ya!